installation is done, you can delete the install files. Just to show one more example, this is one program called Pixie, and this one is just a single executable. Everything it needs to run is just right in the executable itself, and it's a pretty neat app if you work with web design or a lot of graphics. When you run it, it basically opens this little thing here, and what you notice is anywhere I point my cursor, it's that little swatch there is showing me the color of the pixel that the point of my pointer is on. So if I go in here, you'll see the exact shade of yellow. Right here, the exact shade of black, this shade of white. And no matter where it's pointing, this little box is going to tell me the exact pixel I'm pointing at, and it gives me the hex value, the HTML value, the RGB, which is red, green, and blue, all the different values you would ever need to reference that exact color. If you've ever done web design and let's say a company comes to you and they give you a logo and they say we want the colors on our web page to match or to flow with the colors of our logo. Sometimes it's very hard to find that exact same shade of blue or that same shade of red, etc. And it kind of doesn't look right if you don't get it right. This way you can make sure. So for instance, if my client was this company, Crossloop, I can go right in here to a single pixel, and if you look right in that box, it gives me the HTML code #94cc1d. It's going to change when I point away, but just to show you here, it's this box here. Right in here, you'll see when I move the mouse away, there's the HTML code. So now when I'm designing a page, if I want to use that color as the background of a table in the HTML code, I can put in a tag and reference that number there, and the browser will do its best to match that exact color. There's other things to consider, but this really eliminates a lot of trial and error. So anyway, this is one application that I got off the internet. I forget where I downloaded it from. It wasn't advertised as a portable app, but it just runs right off this exe. So if I wanted to put it on my thumb drive so I can use it anywhere, all I'd have to do is cut or copy it, go to my thumb drive, go into PortableApps. I'm going to want to create a folder called Pixie, because that's the name of the program, and then just paste it in there. So now the executable is one subdirectory deep from the PortableApps directory. So now it's in the right place. Now I go to the menu, options, refresh app icons, and there it is. Just click it and it launches. And it works just as it did when it was on my desktop. So now let's say I want to get rid of my PortableApps. Easiest thing yet. Just close out the menu, because of course files that are in use cannot be deleted. If this were my thumb drive, I could just go in, Control A, Shift Delete, and yes, some of these are system files, so it's going to prompt you and hit yes to all. And just like that, the entire PortableApps collection that was on my thumb drive is deleted. And I can either start over or use the thumb drive for another purpose. And that concludes that tutorial. I hope it was helpful for you, and you can now build your own suite of portable applications on a thumb drive, CD, even an iPod if you can connect it as a drive. As long as you can access that drive storage, you can even use this SD card if you wanted to. Any portable storage device will work. So, hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.